Hello everyone, this is Storm 101 here. Today we'll be looking at the snowfall for the United States for the next 10 days. For the most part, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the GFS model. And as you can see here, this is pretty much just about right now. There is actually a little bit of snow showing up in Illinois and Indiana, which is kind of happening right now. At this point, it's 6 hours out, so it's a little bit behind. Well, down in New Mexico and Texas, there's a little bit of severe weather down there as well. And Michael has finally left. He is finally gone. Major devastation down in Florida. So hopefully those people can rebuild and go back to normal. Now, I've heard down there that the storm surge was so bad that parts of like a national park down there was completely washed out, and now it's just some separate islands there. So that is ridiculous from the storm surge there. And it reached Category 4 very quickly as well, with 155 mile per hour winds, which Category 5 is actually 157 mile per hour winds. So it's a little bit close. It's only 2 mile an hour difference, so there's not much of a difference between the two. But it counts as a Category 4, very close to Cat 5, so I can say. So let's go ahead and get started. We have a little bit of a trough going on down here in the Midwest into the Ohio Valley. If we go ahead and fast forward, very nice trough down there. You got a little bit of high pressure behind it. And then down here we get two systems together, and it could form a possible snowstorm out in Colorado, Kansas, Texas, maybe Oklahoma and New Mexico as well. And there's two systems that are going to be coming together, bring in a lot of rain, but don't really get too far on that. Then we get a major trough up in the northeast here, bringing in quite a bit of snow up there in Maine, in Vermont and New Hampshire. Stays dry for our next couple days. Then another disturbance tries to come in. Another strong cold front brings in probably the first lake effect snow, actually. Probably the first lake effect snow out in New York, Pennsylvania, and up there in Michigan, in southern Canada. Nice trough there. Another low pressure system develops, brings in more snow, and so on forth there. So that's that model. Let's go ahead and go to the European model. Now, if we go back to the rain and thunder, if I can, let's get this down, please. Thank you. Going ahead on this, there's some snow up in Montana, but the thing is, I don't really do snow forecasts like up in the mountains. Like, that's a pretty good example. There's your cold front and another system down in Oklahoma. So a very strong cold front there, bringing a lot of snow there. A very similar situation there in Kansas, where they can get a good amount of snow. Cold front start to pass, with maybe some chance of severe weather down to Texas again. We'll watch that closely. Wow, there's a good amount of snow in New Mexico as well. There goes your cold front to the east there. So that was Sunday and Monday. Not too much to talk about. Most of the country is actually quiet on Tuesday, except for Texas, and down a little bit in the southeast with some scattered showers of thunderstorms down there and so on forth. There's another cold front passing up into the northeast, right up there, bringing in some snow, possibly, like the GFS shows. See, there's some snow up in that way. Yeah, some scattered snow showers up there is what it seems. Now we get a big ridge to come up in this, well, not really a ridge. It's going to be dry for the most part for the west, while another cold front tries to develop in the middle of the country. It's not much of a cold front, really, right now. Passes down there. And then a lot of cold air comes down on the northeast again. And that could bring a chance for some lake effect snow. And that's a little bit far out. That's way over to next weekend. So there could be a chance of some lake effect snow there. Alrighty. So this is how my snow forecast goes on for. So I go by like the inches and stuff like that. Also, like I said, I don't really do the mountains that much because it's very hard to pinpoint where it is. And I should probably add some snow, but unfortunately it will not let me. So there will be some snow going on down here in Montana, most likely to the 1 to 3 range as high as it goes. But while down here around the Kansas area, we'll start down here in the central of the country. Well, I got them 3 to 6 for the highest there. And as you can see here, down the numbers down here. So the highest I go is 48 plus. So that is 4 feet there. As high as I could go. A little bit of snow that could happen in Indiana and maybe into Ohio as well. And there you go, up and around Wisconsin and Michigan. The GFS has been snowed a little bit, so I could have put some snow there. And especially for the northeast, like I said, it will not let me. So there is a chance for less than an inch of snow for most of the northeast for the next few days. So yeah, a little bit of a quick video to show you all here. Yeah, 7 minutes. It's not too long, but you know, I show you all the forecast for the most part. That's gonna be happening for the next few days or so. Not much severe weather to talk about, except we're down in Texas, down there. Like I said, Michael did some serious damage down there in Florida, Georgia, Alabama, North Carolina. Gets some flooding again, same for Virginia. So not too much to talk about. It seems like it's going to be pretty quiet. And seems like we'll be mainly focused on for the next few days is the snow. So fall is finally here in the east. We've been in a ridge for about a week. Now fall's here and some snow chances are there for the Ohio Valley, like I said, for right now. So I'll end it here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more snowfall forecasts like that, drop a like. And if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any, hit the bell and notification when you hit the subscribe button. It'll be right around the subscribe button when you hit the subscribe button. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.